Creating content has changed my life 180 degrees since the past year. I went from working full-time at the hospital to working remotely, posting on YouTube and my other social platform, and start growing audience and attract a lot of amazing opportunities that I never thought that I would got to experience. So no matter if you have a full-time job, you're working 9 to 5, or if you're a freelance and a digital nomad like me, there is a way to make content creation works for you, which is why I'm so excited to show you guys how you can make it work for yourself, even if you only have a couple hours a week. Making content can be really time consuming. There's a lot of AI tools that you can use nowadays that makes the process of creating content a lot more faster, a lot more smoother. So today I'm gonna show you how I use AI to create my content. So the tools that I'm gonna use today is called Riverside, and I'm gonna show you how you can create the content from the beginning until the end, from the process of filming until editing and repurposing your content using this AI. So I mostly record from this camera, which is my external camera, and you can easily use that and connect it to your laptop. So when you go here to record, you can see there is a separate camera, which is like your laptop camera. Also, like for the audio, I always use an external microphone like this one, so make sure that it's connected. But yeah, for recording itself, I usually just use my camera while I'm filming right now. But if you're someone who's doing podcasts and you want to interview people, then this feature will come very handy. I feel like it's kind of like a mix of Zoom and also like an editing platform. So what's really cool here, if you want to invite someone to do an interview or podcast here, I'm using headphones, join studio, and then you can invite people from the link here. But since I'm filming for my YouTube and I'm not interviewing anybody, we're just gonna skip this part. But yeah, if you connect your camera over here, you can also start recording. Now I'm gonna show you one of the really cool things that you can use here to have the script and the teleprompter, which is really cool because basically you can just like copy the script that you prepared for the video. So here, for example, and I can just like start reading this as a teleprompter. So you don't even have to buy a separate teleprompter. This is really handy, especially if I have this type of video where I don't want to miss any detail. Just make sure that I have all the information and I don't miss anything. So once I got the video done, usually you can see it here. And this is where I will use AI to help me edit the video. So one of my favorite feature to use when I'm editing my video is this one called AI Producer. So I usually go to this section and click apply. This will make sure it cut down the area where it has a little bit of gap and I'm not saying anything. So basically it helps you a lot, saving tons of time with the rough cut of the video. Another feature that I like to use is the caption, because here, instead of like typing all the things that I'm saying in the video, I can just use this. And you can also edit the text. This will take all the work that probably will take around 2 to 3 hours into like 1 second. So let me show you some of the tools and the feature that I use the most. The first one is set pace. So with this, it usually will detect any awkward pause like this one, and they're just gonna cut it right away to make it sound more natural. The coolest part is also you can set the pace, whether you want it to cut off part where it was silent for 3 seconds or more. You can set the duration here. So if you don't want any other gap or pause at all, you can just remove all the pauses and click apply after that. Instead of going on the video file, which most likely will take longer, I usually just use the text here and see if there is an awkward pause or if there is a part that I want to cut down. So for example, if I decided to remove this part, instead of like going to the video and cutting it, I can just delete it from here and it will immediately be deleted from the clips. Now you can also add musics from here. What I usually do is I go to YouTube audio library and download the music that I can use for my video and upload it. But you can also explore some of their audio. I personally prefer to like pick something from other website and just upload it here, just because I have a very specific type of music that I like to use on my video. And you can also add image or videos if you wanna add some visualization in your video. Now once you finish with the video, one of the feature that I really love is Create with AI, where you can use this feature called Magic Clips. And this is what I usually use to repurpose my long form video into short form video. And here you can pick the duration. I would usually say for short form, it will perform better under 30 second or 30 to 60 second max. So here you have Riverside help you convert it into short form. That's around 30 seconds per video. You can just like go in and edit. You look at the script of like where did I highlight or where do I cut the video and see if that is the part where you want the video is about. This is talking about a part where I first got monetized and how much I made with the monetization. So now it's in 9.16 ratio, which is the ratio that you will use for TikTok, YouTube Short, or Instagram Reels. What I do is usually I go to layout and make it full screen. So here I will also change the caption. I usually always use this one, make it bigger. And that's it. Now I only have to film one content and I got various content that I can post on different channels. I feel like I only started using AI lately and it has been such a game changer. Honestly, I understand the struggle and how time consuming it is to create a content. You're basically putting in hours and hours in a week, but content creation is a long game. I know there are people who only post a couple videos and they went viral, but that's not the case with most people. I feel like consistency is still one thing that will make you successful. I'm excited to share if I found any other useful tools that I can share with you guys in the future, whether it's for content creation or working remotely. Basically, all those tools that can make your life a lot easier. So if you want to start content creation, I don't think there is anything to stop you by now. With Riverside, it's so easy to make content, to produce a high quality content. I honestly know the struggle because I'm working remotely and I still have to like move from one place to the other place because I'm also like traveling at the same time. And honestly, knowing all the right tools just make the biggest difference. And if you're interested in checking out Riverside, I have a referral link that you can use. You can check it out for free. But if you want the pro version, you can also use my code, which is DN15 to get 15% off. And let me know in the comment section down below if you have any question or if you want me to talk more about content creation or AI tools. But that's it for this video and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye!